Greetings from the road. So I've been doing this since 2006. And I started out with vintage trailers, and I had a collection and I transported them. That's how I started out transporting. And back then I had heard of David Woodward, and this is where all things lead full circle. I always wanted to meet him, and he contacted me about hauling a Model T, and lo and behold, I have him come down here and meet the gentleman that owns this Model T that I'm picking up that's going to a port in California. So I start talking about Model Ts with David Woodward. This guy shows up. So we got this Model T that's going to the port. We've got this 32 Chevy Hot Rod, and I've traveled quite a lot. Yesterday morning, it's about 5 o'clock here in Spokane. Yesterday morning at 7, I started out from Cheyenne, and I wanted to get here 1,000 miles from where I started out before the rain set in, and I'm here in time. So I got to load up. I got an hour left.